Filipino style. My Filipino. I'm gonna call it Jamapino. Yeah, Jamapino, Jamaican Filipino style. Yes, and I'll leave these just as is. The spinach just as is. There, go inside. Right here. So I have my celery, and I have my spinach, I have my chayote, and my Idaho potato. That is not Irish. That is Idaho potato and chayote, or in Jamaica known as chocho. Bell peppers, scallion, and garlic, scallion and onions, and carrots, and then all together. We are seasoning chicken broth. So we are in part 2 of the cooking journey on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. First time doing it this way. Normally they have to be brown. They have to be brown. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to start adding the various ingredients. First ingredient I'm going to add in here is the chayote, chocho. That contains water, that contains natural liquid. So this is the first one I'm putting in. Alright, I'm going to add my chicken broth. Yes, because I need some more liquid to cover this. I'm going to add my chicken broth. Alright. 32-ounce chicken broth flavor. You're watching Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, so this has flavors in it, natural flavors. So this Filipino Jamaican style vegetable stew chicken. I can't wait to see it come out. Dang, she's boiling. I don't want to stir this too much because I don't want it to start shredding out. Alright, I'm going to start adding my individual ingredients. I'm going to add my Idaho potato, also known as Irish, but these are Idaho from the US. These are grown in the United States. I use my life. Alright, potatoes cook real fast. Alright, so I'm going to add my carrots. Everything in right. I'm going to put my celery. So next I come back, I'm going to put the bell peppers. Last thing, second to last, I'm going to put spinach. Yeah. So right now, I'm going to add, yes, the remainder of my onions and scallion so that the seasoning can cook into the chicken and the vegetables. Alright, so I'm going to cover this back up. You're watching the Winston GeL and Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. I am doing vegetable stew chicken, Filipino and Jamaican style. Alright, this is the Filipino style. Yes. Filipino style. Vegetable stew chicken, Filipino style. Yes. First time attempting this outright style. Normally the chicken is drowned, fried in the pot. Alright, so now I'm going to add some bell peppers in it. Yes. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery. Stew, vegetable stew. Yes. I'm going to get everything in because I don't want the vegetable stew to overly cook. Alright, we're going to give this a few minutes, couple of minutes, and then I'm going to come back and then I'm going to add the spinach and then the coconut milk cream. Alright, you're watching the Winston GeL on the Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. I am cooking Filipino style. Yes, vegetable stew chicken, Jamaican and Filipino style. Yes, this is part 2 of the cooking journey. Wow. Yes, it is smelling scrumptious. It is smelling delicious. Yeah, it is smelling delicious. Very delicious, my friend. It is smelling. Alright. Now I'm going to add the spinach. Alright. Spinach. Never thought me who didn't like spinach, yeah, Winston GeL didn't like spinach. And now because of my health, Winston GeL, yes, Winston GeL is now eating spinach. That's how serious I take my health. Because of my thyroid illness. So now I am eating spinach in my diet, mamma mia. I am now Italian. So I'm going to put pepper in, and I'm going to put some butter and coconut milk. Through it. Right there. I'm going to add my coconut cream. Nope. Yes. Great coconut cream. Add a quarter stick of butter. it. And first I'm going to do a taste test. First I'm going to do a taste test. Before I add any more seasoning that might makes it salty. What came to mind, I am remembering the first time I cooked a major meal when I was about 9-10 years old, and it came out salty. So I was adding salt. Yeah, I can add the cube. So I'm going to add, yes, a cube from Maggie. Yes, and then I just thought of one other surprise I want to add in it. Yes, one other surprise. Actually, I'm just going to put a small portion of it. I'm not going to put a lot of it in there. Add small portions of it. All right. Do you like that? I'm not stirred up. So this is vegetable Filipino and Jamaican style vegetable stew chicken. This is a first for me. Yeah. Lots of vegetables. Celery, yes, spinach, carrot, chayote, and potatoes. Yes, I'm going to eat it like a soup. It is tasting delicious already. And I want to add something else, which is a surprise. Yeah. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. In the comment section, you're going to comment and tell me how well I did, how well you think I did with this style here. Yes. Alright, now the finishing touch. Yes. Finishing touch. Yes, I'm going to put some right here. I won't put the seed. That's it. Yes. I'll be telling how I do. I don't want to leave it too overly cooked, so I'm going to leave it like that. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So this is Filipino and Jamaican style vegetable stew chicken. So it's in the finishing stage right now. It's coming down to the wire. Alright, so in a little while I will be turning the fire off. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. All right. I'm going to do a taste test. The official taste test. Oh my goodness. Wow, I have to meet this chef. I have to meet this chef who cooks this nice Filipino Jamaican style vegetable stew chicken. Oh my word. It is so divine. It is scrumptiously delicious. Yeah. I need to meet this chef. I need to meet this chef. I need to meet this chef named Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery. Yeah, that's his YouTube name, of course. but I need to meet him. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. This is tasting wonderful. This is tasting so wonderful. Oh man, I wish you guys could be here to taste this. It is awesome. It is spectacular. It is divine, deliciously divine. Yeah, appetizingly looking wonderful and beautiful, but it tastes extraordinarily delicious. Yeah, I am going to enjoy this. Alright, it is now cooked. I'm not separating the noodles because I want to take all that noodles, even though I was advised by Mr. Arish Mahibabani, Epic Food in Hong Kong, and NDT vlog, not to eat too much carbohydrate and noodles, but I'm going to enjoy this one with lots of the chicken. You're watching this on Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Please like and share. Yes, please comment down below. And yes, please subscribe in support of my work, of my channel. Thank you so very much. I will see you on another extraordinary cooking journey. Alright, the journey continues because I'm going to share it out and put it on the plate. Let me see how it looks, okay? Alright, my friends, this is done, so I'm going to turn the stove off.
You can transform your beer.
Sharing. Alright, so I'm going to share it. This is my Filipino, yes, Filipino and Jamaican style, yes, Jamaican style, yes, vegetable, stewed chicken, out. Get some stretch. Ooh. Hot. Yeah, that paper, it is hot. Hot. It is hot. It is very hot. It is very hot. Get some carrots. Get some carrots. Some carrots. Alright. Now, some liquid. Put some nice, delicious liquid in here. This thing is hot. It is burning off my hands. Boy, I'm so intelligent. I don't allow my hands to burn off. Alright, this is my portion. Alright, my friends, this is the finishing touch here. So, this is my Filipino and Jamaican style vegetable stew chicken, yes. A different style altogether, different combination. Yes. It is not only looking awesome and scrumptiously tasting delicious, yummy, tasting delicious. It is delightfully tasty. The taste is out of this world, and it could only have been created by Winston GeL Cooking in this cabinet. Chef master, my own style. Yes, I have been cooking since I was a boy, since I was 9, 10 years old. My first dish was beef soup, only one problem. There was too much salt then. But that was then, not today. Today, this is tasting wonderful. And it is looking beautifully, delightfully. Awesome. Thanks for viewing. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think about this creation. In